Okay, good evening. This is a demonstration of the LC Smith & Corona typewriter. This seems like it worked pretty good. Line this up. All the keys functioned. A little bit of a perfectionist here. So here we go. This is the large case letters, A, B, C. I'm not that good at, as you can see, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Go back to here. Now small case. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let me just finish. Now I'm going to do the numbers, and I don't see where there's a number 1. I just realized that. I don't know why that is, but it says backspace number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I guess you use the I. Oh, that is a 1. It's an I and a 1 and 0. Okay. So there you go. Take a look at that. I don't know if you can see it. So it does type. There's the large case, and there's a small case. There go the numbers. It's not perfect. It's not a perfect machine, but it does work well. It needs a little bit of cleaning on, inside there, but I just don't have that kind of time for it. But it works well, and not a bad machine. So I wish anyone the best with it.